Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play throwball cricket. First, gather 2 teams, ideally with 5 to 7 players each, though 3 players per side can also work. Next, set up your playing area, which includes a batting crease and a wicket, often just 3 sticks or a small bucket. You'll need a soft, lightweight ball and a bat, which can be a proper cricket bat or even a sturdy piece of wood. This simple setup makes the game accessible for everyone. The game begins with a thrower from the fielding team delivering the ball underhand towards the batter. The thrower stands about 10 to 12 paces from the wicket. The key rule for the batter is to hit the ball after it has bounced once in front of them. If the batter swings and misses the ball completely, or if it hits their body without touching the bat, they are out. This ensures a fair and engaging challenge for both sides. Once the batter hits the ball, fielders scatter to catch it or retrieve it as quickly as possible. If a fielder catches the ball directly, before it bounces, the batter is immediately out. Another way to get a batter out is by hitting the wicket with the thrown ball while the batter is out of their crease. This adds an exciting element of strategy and quick reflexes to the game, keeping everyone on your toes. Scoring in throwball cricket is straightforward. After hitting the ball, batters score runs by running back and forth between the wickets. Each completed run counts as 1 point. If the ball crosses the boundary line on the ground, it's 4 runs, and if it goes over the boundary without bouncing, it's 6 runs. The game typically lasts for a predetermined number of overs, and the team that accumulates the highest total of runs emerges victorious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.